Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 28. Which of the following standard conditions is not correct about energy changes? A. Standard temperature is 298 Kelvin. B. Standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. C. Concentration of solution must be 1 mole per dm cube. D. Change in heat, that is enthalpy change at 298 Kelvin, is the activation energy. So this is basically discussing standard conditions of thermodynamics. So thermodynamic standard conditions, and let's look at what the standard conditions for thermodynamics are. So first you have the standard pressure at 1 atmosphere for thermodynamic standards, and then you have standard concentration in thermodynamics to be 1 mole per dm cube. Now temperature is not specified for thermodynamic reactions. However, most tables or most materials provided compile data at the temperature 298 Kelvin. So this 298 Kelvin is often regarded as the standard temperature in thermodynamic reactions. So these are the standard conditions when it comes to thermodynamic reactions. So let's look at each of the options and see which one is not correct when it comes to these standard conditions. Now, A. Standard temperature is 298 Kelvin. We have rightly established that the 298 Kelvin is often regarded as standard temperature in thermodynamics. So this is correct and hence is not the answer to this question. B. Standard pressure is 1 atm, as we have rightly established here. In thermodynamics, pressure is 1 atm, so this is correct and hence cannot be the answer to this question. Now, concentration of solution must be 1 mole per dm cube. Standard concentration we have also seen as 1 mole per dm cube, so this is correct as it relates to thermodynamics, but not correct so it cannot be the answer to this question. And then lastly, you have enthalpy at 298 Kelvin is activation energy. Now, enthalpy at 298 Kelvin is known as standard heat of formation. It's known as standard heat of formation and not activation energy. So it is not correct about energy changes, and hence option D is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.